Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. The first project we're going to be doing today is a wooden sign. Um, I just picked up some scrap wood. Oh, here comes Rosie. Say hi, Rosie. I just picked up some scrap wood out of my garage. I got 4 pieces for the frame, some gel stain, some Waverly chalk paint in white, some tacky glue from the Dollar Tree, and I decided my tacky glue wasn't working, so I decided to use E6000, as you can see. I guess it hardened up at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to add my E6000 and then my glue gun. So believe me, I did not know how to cut this wood. I've been watching Elise English. Check out her channel, guys. She is really good. She's been teaching me a lot. Taught me how to do buffalo check. Taught me how to cut this wood. I used to have such a hard time. Okay, so after gluing the wood, I flipped it over and added this piece of wood flooring on the back just for extra support. Now I'm going to stain my frame. First I sanded it down a little bit, try to get some of the old paint that was on there. Like I said, I found this wood in my garage, so there was webs and paint and everything else on it. This is my go-to stain in mahogany. I love this stain. I use it for almost everything. I don't know what I'm going to do when I have to switch up. Now I'm going to paint my sign. I'm just going to paint the inside white. I'm actually making this sign for my daughter. She's moving into her own, well, actually a new apartment. And she wants to do all modern farmhouse. So I've been making her a lot of stuff. She's getting all my projects. Okay, so then when that's done, I start to put together the frame. My son came in and helped me. I put some nails in the corners. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of a rough time, but he's in the kitchen cooking me breakfast. Isn't that nice? And he decided to come in and help me. I don't know why, I'm just having a really hard time with this. And I'm actually starting to get mad. So I printed some vinyl on my silhouette. And I don't know why I like using the vinyl better than the stencils. I see a lot of people using the stencils more, and I don't know. I just like the vinyl better. It's a lot easier. I really love this machine. I'm so glad I splurged on it. So I was just spacing out my words. This is probably my favorite thing to do is signs. I love making them. So I don't push down on it. I just kind of set it there till I get them all done and ready. And then I make sure everything's straight. Because that's the worst, when you put the vinyl down and then you notice that your spacing is wrong, or I actually added, after I finished this video, I added my daughter and her boyfriend's name on the bottom. That's why I kind of left a space there. Okay, so the next project is so easy. It's actually two, I guess you would call them frames, and we're going to use the candlesticks from Dollar Tree, a couple pieces of wood, some ribbon, my gel stain, and some jute from Walmart. So the first thing I do is I stain my wood. I stain all four pieces, front and back, except for the part that I'm going to put on the wood. Okay, so after I stain my wood, now I'm going to get ready to wrap my jute around the candlesticks. I start on the top on this one, and I start on the bottom on the other one. This is probably what took the longest. So after they're all wrapped, now I'm going to glue all my pieces together, and I burnt myself with the glue gun. So first thing I'm going to do is set my big pieces of wood. No, I'm actually going to glue my candlesticks to the base of the frame. And I think it's easier to turn the candlestick over and put it on the bottom of the frame than to put the frame. I decided to use E6000 and my glue gun so it stays. It doesn't fall apart. So after I'm finished doing that, then I put the frame on the base, and I'm going to make one vertical and one horizontal. Then I'm going to put this pretty little bow on the top of it. I'm going to make one. Now the one in the picture is just a single bow, as I'm making right now, but I really don't like how it, maybe it's the ribbon I'm using, but I don't like how it looks, so I end up doing a double. Yeah, it looks too bare to me. So these are the bows I decided to make. I just doubled them. Now I'm going to put my little clothespins on. And you can add a picture, you can add whatever you'd like. Postcard. I think they're so adorable. When I saw the picture, I totally got inspired by it. Okay, now this is the easiest project. You just need frames, some ribbon, and a curtain rod. You're just going to set your frames up. If you have to paint some, you have to paint some. I use this spray paint. You set your frames out, you glue your ribbon to it, and hang it on the curtain rod, and that's it. I really don't have much to show you, and it was too big to show you. So here's my finished projects. I hope you enjoyed watching me. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and leave me a comment if you like.